To create a product, press Create a new product. Enter an ENG code. Indicate the name of the product and its dimension. You can check that the product has been created by returning to the root in the My Products tab. To create products in bulk, go to Integration, Products, Creation and Categorization. Download the frame that will allow you to fill in your Excel or CSV field. Complete the mandatory data, EN, dimensions, save this data field to your computer and then import it into the platform. Follow the instruction. It is imperative to associate the columns of your table with the imported data. Start the import. You can now check that your products have been created. To associate an image with a product, go to Integration, Generate a product from an image. Pay close attention to the format. It is imperative to have a good quality image and perfectly cut out in PNG format 1024 x 1024 and whose size ideally does not exceed a megabyte. Read the instruction carefully. Underscore for the first side, underscore set for the back side. It is imperative to have a correspondence between the EN of the products and the EN of the photo. Once your field is renamed, all you have to do is import it into the converter. Click on the bell, it reports the progress of your modeling. You can also manually import several images for several products. The logic is the same for importing and generating the products one by one. Go to Integration, import your image which must follow the instruction for the name containing the EN code and the side of the photo. You can check the progress of your models in the bell jar. Sometimes a product is not the right size or the shape does not match your expectations. In this case, go to the product editor. You can change the product dimension. You can change the shape of the product and vary the parameters. It is imperative to save these new parameters and generate your product again. With any generation operation, you can go to the platform to check the progress of your work. In the event that several models are not suitable, you can modify the shape of several objects at the same time provided that the shapes and dimension are similar. Open the product editor by clicking on 3D logo, select the shape that suits you best, save the shape for this product, and for the other products to which you want to apply this shape. Apply the preset model to all models by checking the empty box and selecting the setter model. Confirm that you want to apply this format and save to restart the generation of 3D models. Check the progress of your work in the bell. To generate your products, you can use the converter but also import products already modeled by respecting a few rules. Refer to the 3D Product Import Guidelines. For creating a product, you add an EN and the name of the product. For dimensions, simply add to fill the boxes. The real dimension of your product are integrated into your 3D field. Then go to the Product Integration and 3D Model Import tab. Read the instruction. Import your model in GLB format.